Back in 2018, me and my sister started Girls United. Guys. We are good. We are good. Okay. Hey, Ellen. You want to be on the
One thing we've learned about activism in today's culture is that there's no one good way to use your voice for good. So to start, I'd like to ask
we work with sponsors like American Airlines and like Coke Zero.
I was one of those kids that was outside looking up at the sky wondering how in the world those big metal tubes could even stay up there. I mean, there was just a lot of science, a lot of
Nice story. I really love that story because it reminds me of my daughter right now as she's going through her aviation process. So I'm Captain Beth Powell with American Airlines, and I got the bug and the realization at an early age. I was 15 years old, going to high school in Jamaica, and I loved everything with numbers. It was math, accounting, physics, you named it, it had numbers, I would do it. I remember the teacher getting so excited and fascinated every time he put a question out there. I would answer it and came up to him and say, I think I found another way to do this. And he got more excited, and I'm like, okay, so I like numbers, what does that mean? He said, are you kidding me? You can become. I can become? Yes. He said, you can become a pilot, a lot of other things, blah, blah, blah. I heard pilot first and rushed home to my parents and said, Mommy, Daddy, the teacher said I could become. Being the mother that I had, extremely supported of our 3 daughters, we grabbed the yellow pages, yes, I'm old, and we scrolled through that yellow page, found the one flight school in Jamaica called Wings. Next thing I knew, I was in an airplane at 15 years old, rolling down the runway 80 miles an hour. The instructor said, guard the controls with me, so I put my hands on the controls. We pulled back, I felt it. We made a turn, I felt it. I felt every movement that airplane made from start to finish. I landed, huge smile on my face, kind of like when you all go to Disney World. And then he looked and said, they pay us to do this. That's it, I'm gonna be an airline pilot, and here I am.
I'm gonna have microphones, so please listen. She's gonna project. It's gonna be a fabulous panel, and enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you.
What's up, you guys? Jayda here with the GU Summit, and Black girls will forever be the blueprint because it's natural. We don't have to do too much. It just comes, it flows.